Hi, I'm Susan Young, and I'm facilitating a conscious aging workshop this February, Thursday afternoons, 2 to 4 p.m. I invite you to join me. In this workshop, we will practice together, we will learn a lot, and you're going to journal. You're going to really explore what conscious aging is, your own capacity for self-care and self-compassion as you move into this next aging process. We're going to do a life transformative review, looking back at our lives, where we've come from and what we've done. And we're going to write about that and then come and share what you're comfortable with in the group. And finally, in our last week, we're going to create a new intention for aging. The cost is $295. And that includes the booklet. I've done tons of research, a lot of resources, videos, audio recordings, as well as other books available. So join me if you'd like to. Contact me, info@susancoach.ca for more information.